All right, we're going to cover the installation of the AS35 steam humidifier, AS35 FP with fan pack. You can see I got the covers off of both sides of the unit here to expose the canister and the circuit board. A couple things to note. We're going to mount this right to the wall to make sure it's on a good, sturdy, studded wall. The unit's about 27 pounds to 30 pounds when it's full of water and full of minerals. So you want to make sure that it's mounted onto a sturdy wall. The steam humidifier comes with 6 feet of very heavy-duty industrial marine-grade steam hose, 10 feet of drain tubing, the model 5558 control, and either the fan pack or the steam dispersion tube. The steam hose is going to either connect to the fan pack or the steam dispersion tube that goes to the HVAC system. The steam hose goes in and hooks right to the canister. And so we can cut this to whatever length we need. We can also run up to 20 feet using hard pipe copper if we had to go a long distance from the fan pack or steam dispersion tube back down to the steam humidifier. When installing this, one of the common mistakes people make is to have a dip somewhere in there, a flat spot where steam can collect, condensation water will collect. That's a big no-no. We want to make sure that this hose goes a nice pitch right to the fan pack or the steam dispersion tube so any condensation forming inside the hose can run back into the canister. The humidifier also comes with 10 feet of drain tubing. The drain tubing connects to the bottom of the unit. The unit is using cold, normal tap water, not reverse osmosis or deionization process of any type of water, just plain water, cold water, so that when the unit drains, it would never exceed 140 degrees, 160 max. Electricity comes in through the top, our high voltage electricity, right to these connectors here. The unit will run on 120, 208, or 240, and you simply move this jumper wire to whichever voltage you're applying to the unit. It's all matched up right there. One other thing to note, there is a bank of dip switches down at the bottom, and that's for the amp draw. The higher you set the amp draw, the higher the voltage that goes into the unit, the more output it'll have to get that 277 pints a day. The Anden steam humidifiers come with the model 5558 control. This control gets wired and powered from the steam humidifier itself. The low voltage wire comes in through here and connects right to these terminals, and then also connects to the humidistat that will be down at plant height in a grow environment. Thermostat wire will connect from the humidistat terminals and go directly to the control. And we'll also power this control from the steam humidifier. The transformer wire right here can be simply unplugged, and we send this little jumper along with it. And that gives us 2 bare wires to use to get 24 volts to power the control. When using the AS35 FP fan pack, power will go out of these 2 terminals, 24 volts, to power the fan pack, and it also keeps the fan running inside of the fan pack for additional 4 minutes when the steam call ends to push any steam away from the unit. You'll see there are 2 terminals labeled fan pack right here. So you'll wire those with thermostat wire to the fan pack, and inside of the fan pack, you'll see the 2 terminal connections right here. Wires come in through the bottom and connect right there back to the fan pack terminals.